Hello! In this video we will be showing you how to make a origami seagull. To start, you'll need a square shaped piece of paper. Take the corner to the other side, folding and unfolding to create a crease. And then do that again on the other side. Take the left-hand corner and bring it over, leaving a gap between the two ends, and make a crease. Now you'll want to take these two corners and fold them down the middle and flip. Take the topmost corner and fold. Now take this corner and create a step fold. Go ahead and turn over. Here we can fold over the bottom corner up to the top corner. Now you'll want to fold again where the wings meet the body. Go ahead and bend the wings or try curling the wings with your finger. Making sure to do them on each side. You can go ahead and draw eyes if you'd like, but you are pretty much good to go.